যেখানে শেষ করেছিলাম তারপরে পড়ছি। Least I can do right now to wash your face. Are you hungry? So the lady asked the boy if he was hungry. So you can see that the so Jones is not quite rigid one. She is not quite is quite such a lady who will just punish the boy. Not like that. But she had a kind heart, and she is quite benevolent one. And she feels that the boy's ways of life had to be changed. No, ma'am, said the being dragged boy. I just want you to turn me loose. The boy said that I'm not hungry, but I want you to turn me loose. Was I bothering you when I turned that corner? When I was passing at 11 o'clock by that corner, was I bothering you? Was I making any kind of annoyance for you? Asked the woman. No, ma'am. But you put yourself in contact with me. But you somehow, Jones said to the the woman said that since the boy had somehow come in contact with her, so that's that contact. And if you think that contact is not going to last a while, you got another thought coming. So if you think that that contact is not going to last for for sometimes more, you have another thought coming. You have another thought coming means that you are thinking that you will just run away. When I get through with you, sir, you are going to remember Mrs. Willoughby's Washington Jones. The name is given over here. When you will get when I get through with you, when we'll be a bit more acquainted with you, then you will come to realize what kind of woman Mrs. Willoughby's Washington Jones is. Sweat popped out on the boy's face. So the boy was perspirating. So that's why sweat was coming out on the face. Of the sweat means the water droplets. Mrs. Jones stopped, jerked him. Sorry, sweat popped out on the boy's face, and he began to struggle. The boy was struggling, and he was just trying to get released from the lady. Mrs. Jones stopped and jerked him around. Stopped and again jerked in front of her. Put a half Nelson about his neck. Half Nelson is a wrestling hold by putting the hand behind. You have seen in the wrestling match, perhaps in TV or some other place. By putting the hand behind, and it is kept like this. So this is the wrestling hold. So put a half Nelson about his neck and continue to drag him up the street. When she got to her door, she dragged the boy inside. Reaching the door of her house, she dragged the boy inside. Forcefully put the boy inside, down a hall, into a large kitchenette furnished room. So the description of the room. Kitchenette furnished room means that the kitchen is just placed in the middle of the inside the room. So the kitchen is quite attached with the room. Kitchenette means a small kitchen. Kitchenette furnished room at the rear of the house. She switched on the light. The light is put on, and left the door open. She kept the door open intentionally. She wanted to taste the boy. The boy could hear other roomers laughing and talking in the large house. The boy was quite frightened, but he found that there were other roomers. They were laughing and talking in the large house. Some of their doors were open, and he can see perhaps because some of the doors were open. So he knew he and the woman were not alone. So he was quite certain that there were many other people apart from he and the woman. The woman still had him by the neck. So still she was holding by the neck in the middle of her room, and dragged the boy inside the room in the middle. She said, "What's your name?" Now we are gradually coming to know the names of both the characters. Roger, answered the boy. The boy said that his name is Roger. Then Roger, you go to that sink and wash your face. Go to that basin and wash your face. Said the woman. Whereupon she turned him loose. So at this place, when Roger was asked by Mrs. Jones to go to the sink, then Mrs. Jones released him, turned him loose at last. Roger looked at the door, looked at the woman, looked at the door, and went to the sink. So the door was open. I told earlier that the door was kept open intentionally. So the door was open, and the Roger was once looking to the lady, then looking to the open door, and then at last he went to the sink. So there was quite double mind. He was in a state of hesitation whether he should run away or he should stay there, because I told earlier that this is the testing time for Roger. So if Roger runs away from there, then perhaps he will never be rectified. He will never be able to follow the moral path. But since he stayed there, perhaps as he believed that he should stay there, because he found in Mrs. Jones a different kind of nature of women. Let the water run until it gets warm. So wash yourself properly. he said. And actually, remember that there is Christian element also. The house of the Jones is like the church, and Roger is a kind of person who has been derailed from the moral path. So he is a corrupted soul, so he has to be purified. That's why the sink during baptism in the church, so taking water from the sink, they wash their face, as according to Hindu rites, you know that Ganga Jal is a Ganga water is a quite holy water, and with the help of this water we just purify ourselves. So in the same way here you will find that since it is quite similar to that of church, so during baptism, since the water of the sink is used for the purification of the soul, purification of the not only the body but also the soul, because you know that with such a small amount of water the body cannot be cleaned, so it is for the purification of the soul, cleansing of the soul, so cleansing process, you can say. Not with that face, I would not take, sorry, let the water down until it gets warm, she said. Here is a clean towel, so towel is also given. You're going to take me to jail, are you going to take me to jail? So since the boy was frightened, though he had developed some kind of trust on Jones, yet he was frightened, so he was not sure why Jones brought the boy here. Asked the boy, bending over the sink. He was still bending over the sink. Not with that face, I will not take you nowhere with that face, I will not take you nowhere. So your face is dirty, not only the face, the externally you are dirty, it is quite sure, everybody can see. But I find Jones, according to Jones, she finds that internally the boy is also dirty, so that internal dirt has to be cleaned. Said the woman, here I am trying to get home to cook me a bite to eat. So I was coming back home quite fast to cook some food for me, and you snatched my pocketbook, and you snatched my pocketbook. So you, since because of you I'm late. Maybe you hadn't been, again native expression, you hadn't been to your supper either. Supper means the last supper. So why I'm telling that there's Christian element, so this supper can be the same supper of the last supper that Jesus had with his disciples. Late as it be, so you have not taken your dinner also, you have not taken your supper also, so because it has been quite late, do you have taken the supper? There is nobody home at my house, so there is no one at my house, so I did not take the supper. I believe you are hungry or been hungry to try to snatch my pocketbook. So I think that because since you are hungry, that's why you are trying to snatch my pocketbook. Mrs. Jones guessed that this is the reason. Because of the hunger, the boy was derailed, boy was just off the track. But the true reason was I wanted a pair of blue suede shoes, said the boy. So the boy wanted a pair of blue suede shoes. That is the original reason for snatching the pocketbook. Well, you didn't have to snatch my pocketbook to get some suede shoes. So since though it is quite evident that you want some suede shoes, you want some suede shoes, but in doing for that reason you need not to snatch my pocketbook, said Mrs. Willoughby Washington Jones. You could have asked me. So you could have asked me, again native expression, ma'am. So the boy was quite surprised. He said that it is quite surprising that the Mrs. Jones was ask her if he wanted anything, if he wanted any kind of money or thing like that. So his entire perspective regarding Jones changed. The water dripping from his face, so water is dropping from his face. The boy, quite water is visible in the face. The boy looked at her. There was a long pause. So the situation is quite changed one, because Roger thought that Jones perhaps would take him to jail, but since Jones said that she was quite eager to help Roger with any kind of help, so Roger didn't know what to say here. A very long pause. Both the persons were silent. After he had dried his face, not knowing what else to do, dried it again. So situation is quite a blissful situation is prevailing here. So Roger is quite ashamed of his own doing. The boy turned round, wondering what next. The boy thought what to do next. The door was open. He could make a dash for it down the hall. The door was open. He could run away. He could make a dash miss. He could run. He could vanish. He could run. Why the run has been repeated? Because he run means that he could just run away. And if he runs away from now, from this place, at this present moment, then he had to run forever, because his entire soul will be polluted then. His entire soul will be corrupted then. Sin will just take shelter in his heart. so he will never be able to come back in the moral path. So that's why this Quran has been perhaps repeated. The woman was sitting on the daybed. After a while, she said, I were young once, and I wanted things I could not get. So Mrs. Jones said that she was also young once, and she also did not. She also wanted things that she did not get. So she was also trying to say about her own life. Okay. So after this, the next portion will be done later on. Okay.